Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to week number 38 of the Dividend Investing Case Study. If you guys are brand new to the channel, the Dividend Investing Case Study is basically me documenting and showing you guys my journey of how I built a dividend portfolio completely from scratch on this channel all the way back in January of 2020. So if you guys are brand new to the channel and you guys don't really know what I'm doing here, check out the playlist in the description of the video. You guys can watch the older videos if you want to get an idea and kind of watch how I've built this portfolio over time, but you guys don't have to do it if you don't want to. You can just watch the new videos or watch the video I'm doing today, because in each single video I show you guys the stocks I hold, I show you guys stocks that I'm buying, and I give you guys updates on how the portfolio is doing, and of course I give you guys how much we're earning in terms of dividends and whatnot. So in a previous video about a week ago, I was showing you guys talking about how I've been using my dividends and I've been living more frugally to appreciate the little things in life, because when you're building a portfolio, it's like, yes, over time you can make a lot of money. You can even make $1 million with investing, but it takes a lifetime to do it, or it takes a very long time to do it, right? So in those first couple of years, you might just make a couple bucks here and there. So one of the things I've been doing is kind of giving like examples of how just making like an extra 10 bucks or 20 bucks a month can really benefit you and kind of learn to appreciate these simple things. So about a week ago, I bought a CD and it just came in the mail the other day, and we'll jump into an unboxing video in just a second here, but I bought a CD called Dead Wing by Porcupine Tree. It's one of my favorite bands, and I've been popping the CD and I've been listening for the past week. I've listened to like a dozen times already. I'm just loving the fact that just something simple like $20 can buy you a lot if you really are appreciative of it. So let's jump into a quick little unboxing video and we'll take a peek at that, and then once we do the unboxing video, we'll actually jump inside the portfolio and I'll show you guys how our stocks are doing for the day. Alright guys, so here's a quick little unboxing video. This came in the mail actually in about 3 days or so. We actually get mail pretty quickly from Amazon. Here's a nice CD case, as you guys can see, in its nice little entirety here. Really nice art on this album, and that's the thing I love about buying CDs and albums, is that you get nice art. You get so much more with it than just the CD. You get like the little booklets inside here. Inside the video case here, there's like different booklets and stuff, and you can see like more information about the artist, you know, who wrote the songs and stuff like that, and all these little cool things are neat. And like, check out the CD. The CD looks super cool. I love the art and stuff like that. So, you know, the first time I listened to it, I popped it in, I scrolled through the book, I was checking out some of the songs and stuff, and it was such a cool experience to actually sit down and listen to something. I feel like this is something that a lot of people don't do. They don't appreciate the simple things that you can get in life. So I'm just kind of showing you guys the booklet here and stuff, like so much cool artwork that you wouldn't know if you just download the CD digitally or something like that, right? And once again, here's the cool CD. So I've been popping this in and I've been listening for the past week or so, and I've really enjoyed it. So that was well worth $20, and I'd say it was a pretty good purchase overall. Okay, so I hope you guys liked that little introductory there. Let me know what you guys think of me doing stuff like that. Do you guys like seeing what I'm spending with my money? Do you like me kind of like showcasing to you guys like some of the little things that, you know, these dividends that I'm getting on a regular basis can help change my life? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that. And by the way, if you guys are watching this video and you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So here's the dividends earned for the portfolio. And as you guys can see, I've been tracking these on a monthly basis kind of thing. And so far, September, we are sitting at about $10.35 from our dividend portfolio. And then if I scroll over here to our REIT portfolio, we're sitting at about $11.35. Add them up together and it's about $22 or $22 or so, or something like that. So $22 so far in September. Not a significant amount of money, but that's slowly growing. And I think over the next day or two, we're approaching the end of the month, and that's where most of our other dividend stocks and some of our ETFs pay out dividends. So we should see a little bit jump. And going in the future, I'm probably going to be combining the dividend portfolio and the REIT portfolio together into one tax-free savings account, so that it's just easier to manage and whatnot. And we can still go over each individual REIT stock separately and with the dividend stocks, but that's definitely something I'm going to be doing in the future as well, just to make things a little bit complicated. I mean, a little less complicated, sorry. But overall, here's basically a dividend earned for the portfolio. As you guys can see, the past couple months are all included here. You guys can pause the video if you guys want to look over that and check out and see out those numbers. But basically, overall, I've been slowly on this nice little path of growth with a dividend-based portfolio. So we'll jump over to my Wealthsimple trade account. This is where I keep my stocks inside, and we'll do a quick little update here. Interesting things in the market lately. Stocks went down quite a bit over the past week, and then they're starting to recover. The past couple of days, we've seen quite a bit of recovery here. So in the past day, we can see our portfolio is down about 1% in the past day. Over the past week, we are up about 0.15%. So we did see a bit of a jump up like I was talking about, but it looks like maybe over the past day, or the past morning here, I should say, it's kind of like dipped down a little bit more too. But who knows? It might go up, it might go down. We don't really care. But basically, you know, all the stocks we kind of bought over here past week have kind of went up a little bit. But once again, portfolios are up and down all over the place right now. So I just wanted to get a quick little update. But it looks like stocks are kind of starting to maybe balance out to some degree. Over the past month, we are still down -3%. So still September was a pretty big dip overall, down 3%, but that's okay because we can buy these stocks at a nice cheap price. So I'm not too worried about that. The past 3 months, we are down about 0.46%, so not as bad over the past 3 months, and that's about $26 in the portfolio. And if we go all-time value, we are down about 1.68%. So we actually recovered a little bit. I think in the last video last week, we were down like 3%, or it was like maybe even 4%. I think in our REITs specifically. So the portfolio is down still a little bit, but we did recover quite a bit, so it's not too shabby. And inside the portfolio here, we have a lot of bank stocks. I will be doing a video over the next couple days. I usually do an end of month video where I really dive into the portfolio and I show you guys like specifically how each stock is doing. So I think going towards the end of the month, we will do that over the next couple days, maybe this weekend sometime, just to give you guys a heads up. But predominantly, we have mostly bank stocks inside here. We have Fortis, we have Enbridge, we have Manulife, a couple shares of each kind of thing. And then we have towards the bottom here, we have like our big ETFs. And this is what I'm going to be focusing on. Once again, I want to get these ETFs balanced out to be the bulk of our portfolio, and then we can go and buy some individual stocks. We have $54 to buy today. So today I'm going to buy some more VDY. Once again, guys, VDY is like a Canadian-based dividend ETF, really, really good value-based ETF. We've been buying into it, and we currently hold about 26.7% of our portfolio. So I want to get this to about 30%, maybe 40%. We'll kind of see. I might make the rest US stocks. We'll kind of see. Because this is my TFSA, I might put it up to 40% just so there's a little bit more Canadian value, and then maybe we can stick our REITs for 10%, and then we can make the rest of our portfolio US stocks, or a couple US stocks with a couple individual stocks as well. I'm not too sure. So we're definitely gonna be buying more VDY. And of course, ultimately, because we've been buying into VDY on a regular basis, we are kind of down a little bit, but that should start to rise as stocks start to kick up eventually, kind of thing. So we'll buy a couple shares of VDY today. We have $54, so I could probably buy like maybe one share of VDY, and then maybe we could buy one share of something else. We'll kind of see how much we have left over. Maybe we buy a cheap share of Manulife or something like that, or one of these individual stocks that we've been buying. So we'll send the order through, we'll get it to go, and then we'll take a peek here, and we have $25 left, so we can buy anything that's under $25. We could buy Shaw. I don't want to buy too much of Shaw. We could buy Manulife. We could, that's pretty much it. I don't see, we could buy TransAlta Renewables as well. That's actually a really good stock too. That's done really, really well for me. In fact, I might actually pick up a share of that. TransAlta Renewables has been one of my best performing stocks. We're up 17% since we invested. It's only $33, but just those numbers, 17% is pretty huge. So I think we're going to buy one share, and it's got a nice yield of about 5% there. So I think it'd be wise to buy another share of this. It's just been performing so well. Why not buy another share? So we'll buy another share of that. And as you guys can see, again, we're putting most of the weight inside the ETFs, and then we're just buying a few individual stocks here and there. So allow that to go through, and then we will check our REIT portfolio, and then after that, I'll give you guys a quick little update on the REIT portfolio, and then I'll show you guys the dividends we've been getting from the companies over the past couple days. So we'll go to our REIT portfolio, and once again, I do eventually want to get these combined together so that they're both inside a tax-free savings account, and I probably will be depositing less money into the REIT portfolio over time because REITs are kind of risky right now. I understand. I'm going to put about maybe 10% of my overall portfolio into REITs, and then maybe focus for now on the dividend stocks because I just think they're more secure. Like with real estate having a hard time right now, I'm going to invest into REITs, but I'm just not going to make it the bulk of my portfolio because I think stocks like Canadian bank stocks, for example, are definitely going to have an easier time recovering than REITs will. So that's why I'm going to kind of go that route. If it ever gets to that point kind of thing, and it does get really hard. So if we go over the past day or so, our REITs about $3,878 in our portfolio. We're down about 1%. So our REITs are down a little bit over the past day. Over the past week, we're about 0.68%. So a little bit of a rise in REITs as well. So they're following the Canadian stock market pretty much to a T. Over the past month, we were down 2.33%, which is a little bit more than our dividend stocks. And if we go all time, our REIT portfolio is still down, once again, a little bit more than our dividend stocks at about 2.47%, which is down about $100. So the REITs have been struggling a little bit more, but once again, they could come back and do really, really well. It's just kind of like nobody really knows. So because of that fact and because they are riskier, I'm going to be putting a little bit less money into REITs going forward and focusing more on dividend stocks. But we're still going to be putting money into REITs. I have $55 today, and I think we're going to be buying some shares of VRE. I'll buy one share of VRE, and then I'm probably going to put the rest into XRE because these are the two ETFs I've been focusing on. So I'll buy one share of VRE here, which is once again a Vanguard-based REIT fund, and then we'll put the rest into XRE. and we'll just go with that. And then I'll give you guys a quick little overview of how the dividends have been going and what kind of dividends we've been receiving over the past little while. And then that's probably going to be it for today's quick little update. And then, like I said, over the next couple days, probably on the 1st or the 2nd, once we have all the data together, I'm going to do a YouTube income report update on everything, and I'll do an update on all my portfolios I have, so all my stock portfolios, and I'll do like a deep dive analysis, and it'll be like a super long video, so you guys can see 100% what I have, kind of thing. Next up we have is XRE. Like I said, we're going to buy a share of that, or two, depending on how much money we have. It's about $14 a share. I think we can just get one share. Yeah, we can probably get about one share, so buy one share of XRE. And then I think that's pretty much it for today. That's all we're going to be buying. Once again, focus on ETFs. If we can buy like a share of HR REIT, I might buy that, but we'll kind of wait and see how much we have left over. We have about $14, so we could buy a share of something. We could buy a share of H&R REIT. We'll buy that because I'm slowly been buying into them. Once again, they got hit pretty hard. We were sitting pretty good with them. I think we were up like about 10% or something like that, and they got hit pretty hard. So once again, we're going to be buying just to take advantage of the fact that they're cheap and they could recover really well. But I don't want to get too risky with REITs because they do hold a lot of risk overall. And I mean, like, let's be face it, if you're investing in a company like H&R REIT, I'd rather invest into a bank stock like TD when times are tough instead of like these REITs that are already over leveraged in a lot of cases. So once again, we'll just kind of take a more conservative, safer route here. And I'll just show you guys a quick little update. And before I show you guys the dividends, I'll just give you guys a quick shout out to the my affiliate link in the description of this video. If you guys use my affiliate link to sign up to Wealthsimple Trade, you get $10 for free, and I'll get $10. So big thank you to everybody who used my affiliate links. We've raised like over $1,000 for the channel already. It's been absolutely insane. So thank you very much, guys. I very much appreciate that. So grab your $10 from Wealthsimple Trade and buy some stocks with it. Might as well. It's free money. So if we go into our dividends here, once again, I'll just do this little update so you guys can see the actual dividends from the stocks. So Manulife gave us a dividend. I'll do a quick little recap for September. So in December 1st, we got a $1.43 from Fortis. On September 2nd, we got ZRE, which gave us $1.35. Then ZWC gave us $1.21. H&R REIT gave us $2. RioCan gave us $4.56, which is really good. RioCan's a really hot stock right now. It's kind of like, but it's very risky, right? VRE gave us a dividend of $3.20. VDY gave us a dividend of $3.93. And then we have Savaria Corp with 23 cents, Dream Industrial REIT with 23 cents, and then Manulife with $1.12. So just a quick little update to you guys. I hope you guys appreciated this video. Once again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys have any questions like that, please let me know. And by the way, if you guys missed my last video, I did a top 3 undervalued Canadian stocks video. Watch that video. A lot of you guys liked that video. Please let me know what you guys think of that video. If you guys enjoy content like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll try and do more pieces of content like that. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big like and subscribe to the channel if you guys want. But other than that, guys, have yourself a good day. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys later.